Tired of endless spreadsheets? See your data on the map. Google Maps integration. The map opens up with a configurator ready to go. Select which records you want to display. You can add extra filtering criteria based on specific fields and customize your marker colors. Now all your selected records appear on the map. You can zoom in and out as needed. Every marker comes with a customizable tooltip. Want to see coverage areas? You can display a radius around any marker by setting your preferred distance. And here's the cool part. You can filter records directly by that radius. Let's build some routes between points. The system automatically calculates the best path and optimizes it based on your transport method, whether you're driving, cycling, taking public transit, or walking. And you can open any route directly in Google Maps. Reordering is simple. Just drag and drop your waypoints, and the route updates instantly. Add new points by clicking anywhere on the map, or remove ones you don't need. Set any point as your start or end destination. Now for territory-based filtering, draw any shape or polygon on the map and apply it as a filter. The system keeps only the records within your selected area and automatically zooms to fit all visible points. This is perfect for planning fieldwork in specific neighborhoods. Pick your service zone for the day and instantly get your list of accounts in that area for scheduling visits. All the standard features are here too: street view, route visualization, and points of interest. Switch between map views anytime, classic or satellite imagery.